Ing December 16 namo, ing pananayon. Iniingpag maragul daring manibala at muna king peka antabayan ng kaganapan keti king labot Kapampangan, ing Giant Lantern Festival. 3 days bayo ing ligligang parul, 99% ng makasadya ing ega na gana. Manibat king program, venue at syempre, ring bida king bengi ngayta, ring Giant Lanterns.
Lawe ko ready na kasi ega na gana naman institutionalized na. Bari ko sabihan, banwa-banwa, deng local government unit, ang poret ang private sector, kaya beta mo, kasanayan da na ini. At ini, pane naman itang lessons learned from last year, observations, recommendations, yan namang i-address na naman itang present committee. Kanya, pane yang mag-improve, pane sabihan ta na, detang taong mamahala at ina lang institutional memory. Nung nano itang masanting amilyari last year at pwede pang gawan niya ni to improve.
Agpangkang Sonia P. Soto ang chairperson ng Giant Lantern Festival 2023 at presidente at general manager na ng CLTV 36 at inlamo namang makasadyang masanting ang incident management plan. King makanining pamikatagun, mamandar mo naman kano yung pangarelihiyo sa rarang kabalin, bang manyawad gabi para king tagumpela ng event.
Detang anticipated na problema from natural disasters to man-made disasters, considered no reta. Pero siyempre atin tamong certain level of religiosity also na itang Kapampangan, meg-ale na lang ebon. So baka nita kan Santa Clara baka itang Bagyo, Uran, alidatang at banwa-banwa naman na ing wish tamo gagrant na. Muran saguli mo kay ba't mag-continue na naman yung festival.
Samantala, metong pa karang improvement sa ipatupad na ng GLF 2023 Executive Committee ing mas inclusive aktibidad.
Pinaka-importanteng dealing aspeto na ng festival, itang social inclusivity. Only 1,000 seats will be provided only for the guests, meaning the guests of the judges, the guests of the city officials, from the national government to the provincial government to regional government offices to the local government unit, including the city officials, meaning up to the department heads, probably division level, makanyan, execom guests, lantern makers, families, ang poparetang families na rin, barangay captains. And there are seats to be provided for the elderly and the PWDs. But of course, these again are on a first-come, first-serve basis.
Megpasalamat naman ni City of San Fernando Mayor Vilma Kaluwag karing manalakaran kambe ang lokal na kapanibalaan para king ligligang parol.
Never-ending thank you. Dakala salamat karela kasi pro bono lamurugo, alano mang sweldo ken talagang love for our San Fernando love mo talaga ken kultura tamo. Lugod ken kultura niya chula ken sasaupla na alalang sweldo kasi pabikalugod at bakit ta ma-preserve yung kultura ng San Fernando.
Marapat siya kayong December 16 ng Giant Lantern Competition king Robinson Star Mills Pampanga. Dapat mira siya ang gana king January 1, 2024 in duration na ng festival. Para karang makapunta kang venue, may palagaya naman live ini king CLTV 36 at karang kaya katamong social media platforms. Ako, ingke kayong talasuyo, Liana Canilaw, ating pusong makabalin.